Hi, this is Amber with Resale Genius. I've been selling for over 20 years on platforms like Poshmark, eBay, StockX, Goat, Grailed, you name it. And I have a website called resellingienius.com, which is a totally free website filled with resources and articles and knowledge database for resellers. So be sure to check that out. Now today I'm going to do some data, some facts. I know that everybody, well, maybe not everybody, but I really like data when I'm selling because I want to know if what I'm doing is worthwhile. So let's start with listings. Now, everybody knows that Poshmark is based on community engagement and really like active sellers as opposed to passive sellers. So with that, if you list 3 items or more, you have a 13% higher chance to sell an item within the first 30 days. So if you're new to Poshmark, make sure you list at least 3, the more the better. If you look at a given week, 94% of all sales on Poshmark go to sellers who have listed that week. So again, activity, 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 list, list, list. Another one, low balls, which is defined as somebody giving you an offer for 50% or less than your listed sale price. So you have something for $100 and somebody gives you an offer for like $50 or less. Now, don't get mad, make sure you counter, because 30% of all offers that have a counter offer, low ball offers that have a counter offer result in a sale. So if you don't counter, then that sale is gone. Don't get offended, just counter. A listing with a brand in the description is 25% more likely to sell than a listing without. The other thing are style tags. Now, there is some confusion around style tags, I think. Me personally, I was around when it launched, so they did some pretty good teaching on it, I should say. Style tags, there's a section on your listing for style tags. You can only do 3, and so you really want those 3 to count. So don't repeat something that's already in your listing or in the selected category or title or anything like that. So material is a good one to pick, like wool or silk. Another one, vintage, like eras, 90s, 80s, Y2K. Style trends, TikTok or streetwear, feminine, just try to approach it that way. So don't say blue or Banana Republic. Those things are already in, your listing. Don't say skirt or high-low skirt, because those are all things in the subcategories. So don't pick a subcategory. Don't pick anything that's in your the chosen fields. Try to pick something that is not chosen, like a material, a trend, or a pattern even. So hopefully that helps. The other thing I've seen is people who list a ton of tags in their listing description. I'm not talking about style tags on those 3 selected choices that you have, but I'm talking about just in the actual body of your description. They will list just tons of random tags that have nothing to do with the listing. That's not helping anybody. It's just spammy, and so it's not going to help your listing. It's not going to help with SEO. It's just spamming, and it looks stupid. So don't do that. Use the style tags correctly. And the other cool thing about the style tags is that when Poshmark does their trends and their features, if you use style tags and you are picking a style tag that's featured that day or that week, Poshmark might use your listing. So that's another way to get good sales. And if you want to know what the trending things are, go into your My Account tab and make sure you select the communications for trends, because then in your news feed you will see every morning, or as often as they do, publish the style trends. So you can see what items are trending, what percentage they're trending over, last month or last year, and it's just a really good little guide to remind you of things that you could list that are really in demand. So with that, this has been a very short and sweet YouTube video. I hope you enjoy. All right, thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.